Hi, I'm Carrie, the front office coordinator here at Texas Outdoor Oasis. I'll be walking you through our process to show you how we bring backyard spaces to life. To get started, simply fill out an online request or give us a call at the number below. We'll collect some basic contact information and a few details about your project. From there, we'll connect you with the designer who's best fit for your vision.
Hi, I'm Ira Wilson, a design consultant here at Texas Outdoor Oasis. And I wanted to give you a quick overview of what to expect during the design phase of your project. Now, once your information comes to me, I'll reach out to introduce myself, schedule a visit to your home. We'll walk your backyard together. We'll talk about how you want to use the space and discuss ideas, priorities, and budget. Now, to help me design as accurately as possible, I'll need a copy of your property survey, so please have that ready when we meet. Now, after that, we'll schedule a second appointment at our showroom for your design review. There, I'll start by showing you your project in our 3D modeling software so you can really visualize what your new outdoor space will look like. And we'll walk through the design details together and look at material samples. Really want to help you choose the finishes that fit your style and your space. And this meeting is really collaborative. We'll go through the design together and make adjustments if needed until everything feels right to you. Now, after the design is finalized, we'll prepare your contract, and when that's signed, we'll create the detailed plans needed for city permits. Now, if your neighborhood has an HOA, we'll also provide the documents you'll need to submit for approval. And once financing or funding is in place, we'll move into construction. Brandon, our project manager, will walk you through the construction process now.
Once you and your designer have finalized the design and the contract signed, it's my time to get to work. We'll schedule a pre-construction meeting on site to review your plans, the layout, and all your materials. Communication is extremely important to us, so we'll start a group text with your designer and your project manager. From there, it's off to the races and time to build. Once all the work is done, we'll have a final walkthrough and post-construction meeting at your home. We'll go through everything and make sure that we've exceeded your expectations.
It's that easy. We're so excited that you're considering transforming your backyard with Texas Outdoor Oasis. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to help you build your dream backyard.